In this video, we're going to be covering the 1-year daily chart of Gilead. This is a supplement video to the post we posted earlier regarding the potential of a nice upward move in the stock. This is more of a visual representation and a video go over of the actual post. So to start, we're going to talk about the chart and some past price movement and where we could possibly go. So over here, we can see we definitely notice a downward trend, okay? We see this movement all the way down here. You can't miss it. Now, what started this whole movement over here last summer in June, July, this is when Hillary Clinton tweeted out that she was going to pretty much declare war on the biotech industry. And this rippled across the whole biotech industry. Look at the IBB, and it's a similar chart. Bam. Over here. For over here, take a look in the right below the ticker on the left side. We see 720. So since late July, we're in this sharp downturn. We're actually covering IBB right now. We're going to put something out, and we're becoming very aware of the potential to make some nice money in the biotech industry. Going back to our Gilead chart, what we do notice is that clear downward trend. From here, we see it come all the way to here where we broke out. Now, the way we know that this was a good resistance line is, one, it's tested multiple times. We have the original test up here, we have over here, we have right here, and then we also have the breakout above this line and the retest of it after the breakout. It was retested three times, actually, which is a very good sign of that line and the relevancy of it. Now, tracing back a little bit, this downward movement was definitely a serious one. Okay, we also see this bottom trend line that's in full effect. Not strong, but it's there. Okay, and then we also see another downward movement over here. Followed by this, we have an earnings announcement in this area where we had the gap down, and then finally we break out to the upside to break some of this downward movement. Create a new uptrend, okay? Pretty much consolidation and a little bit of a retracement of the previous move. Now after this, we had the earnings announcement over here where they missed bad on revenue and we gapped down. Now what we see here, we have a potential double bottom right here and right here. Obviously, we don't know if it's going to break below or bounce off. We have to wait for future price movement. We have a potential MACD. Same thing again. We need to wait for some upticks for this to cross over. We have an oversold RSI condition. This is allowing us to think that we can get a move to the $90 region, which would bring us, wrong tool, which would bring us into this area right here, right where this 50-day moving average is sitting right now. We believe, though, we can close this gap, which would bring us into the high 90s, and then get up to the $100 area where we once were just 4 or 5 weeks ago. This is a visual recap of our post.